Hello friends, we shall discuss calculation of probability, and this we are going to do with an example. In a bank promotion exam with maximum marks 50, mean score 41.5 and standard deviation 2.5. So this is information relating to all eligible employees who appeared in that exam. For a sample of 50 employees, out of those who appeared in the exam, what is the probability that the mean score, the average score, was between 40.5 and 42? So we have to calculate the probability for a sample of 50 out of total population, that the mean score, the average score, was between 40.5 and 42. So for the population, the mean score is 41.5. Now, how to go about it? Here we are given certain data. Population mean, that is mu, is given 41.5. So it is here. Population standard deviation is also given, that is sigma 2.5. Sample size, that is small n, is also given, that is 50 employees. And what we are to calculate, we have to find out the probability that for this sample size, what is the possibility, what is the probability that mean score is between 40.5 to 42. In this case, we have the sample size larger than 30. And when sample size is larger than 30, then according to central limit theorem, the distribution is assumed to be normal. And when distribution is normal, then calculation can be made with Z formulation. And for Z formulation, what do we need? So we need standard error of mean. Standard error of mean is calculated as standard deviation divided by square root of number, size. So size is 50, standard deviation is 2.5. So 2.5 taken, square root of 50 is 7.07. So this is standard error of the mean. Now going further, as already said, in this case sample distribution is assumed as normal because the sample size is more than 30. Now to calculate Z transformation, we make use of the following formula. So Z formation or Z transformation is calculated as Z equal to sample mean minus population mean divided by standard error of the mean. So that is how we are going to calculate. And we shall make this calculation both for 40.5 as well as for 42. Then try to see what is the probability. So let us see. First we calculate 40.5 and simultaneously for 42. So according to formula, we take the sample mean, that is 40.5, population mean 41.5 divided by standard error of the mean, that is 0.3536. Similarly for 42 also we calculate. So sample mean 42, population mean 41.5 divided by standard error of mean. Now we will simplify this. So value of this is minus 2.8281. So 40.5 minus 41.5, that is minus 1, divided by 0.3536, we get this value. Similarly, 42 minus 41.5, that is 0.5, divided by 0.3536, so it gives us this value. It means here Z1 is minus 2.8281 and Z2 is 1.4140. So these are the Z values we have calculated, and the probability value for these Z values is available from Z value table. Now we shall take those probability values from Z value tables. For 2.8281, this value as per Z value table is 0.4977, and for 1.4140, this value is 0.4207. So we have two probability values now, 0.4977, 0.4207. Now we will add it up, and the sign will not be taken into consideration for adding it up. So we add it up by ignoring the sign, and this is total 0.9184 or 0.92, means 92%. So here there is a possibility that mean score will be between 40.5 and 42 for this sample of 50 employees. So the probability is 92%. So that is how we can make calculation of probability. Thank you, friends.